This necklace matches the wedding dress perfectly, but a bottle opener is way more useful. A luxurious ceremony or a hip-hop party? What wedding would you choose? Watch how feminine and tomboy brides get ready for their weddings in our new video. Every girl is a princess deep inside. Am I right, honey? My love, will you marry me? Hang on, I can't see the ring. I'll get some binoculars. This diamond is so small. I need bigger binoculars. My hunting ones will do. Oh, now that's better. I will, my love. She said yes. Let's try the ring on. It fits like a glove. Let's dance. Watch out, punching bag. Right hook, left hook. Whoops! Archie couldn't stand my hit. Honey, wake up. The hook wasn't even that strong. Nancy, this is for you. Me? Thank you, Archie. I love peanuts. I'm glad. Wait, is that a ring? Oh, Archie, I will marry you. To the right, to the left, a bit lower. Oh, Alex, not that low. Higher. Perfect. Phew. Alex, hurry up. We need to pick out a tablecloth. I'm coming. This wall is giving me wedding vibes. I made up my mind. This is for you. Decorate. With toilet paper? Aren't you a professional decorator? Do something. Your wedding arch is ready. No way. Something is missing. Something special. I'll add gum. Now it's perfect. What do you think about this gray jacket? No way, honey. Only classic black. Stand still. Let me see which dress the suit looks better with. The first one or second? I don't know. Don't move. That's it. The pick is ready. You can go. Let's see how the suit and the dress look together. Amazing! Alex, we'll be a perfect couple. Nancy, what do you think about this dress? No! And this? Maybe this one? No! I already picked out a perfect wedding outfit. My white tracksuit is just the thing. Good afternoon. I need wedding makeup and nails and light breezy waves. Let's start with glitter. Whatever you want. Give me a brush. I need to fix it right here. I know what looks good on me. What day is it today? Ah! It's my wedding day! Okay, get the tracksuit on. Oh, what's wrong with my hair? Fine. I'll put on a hood instead of a veil. See? It's fine. Shoes! My shoes should be here somewhere. Here it is, the box. It's so dusty. Oh yeah, a magical moment. My dream wedding shoes. Your time has come. What about sneakers? Nah, they don't match my socks. Here it is. The box I was looking for. Let's see. My wedding shoes. They are so nice. Sweetheart, let's pick out wedding invitations. What do you think? No! What about this one? Not really my thing. There's a third option. Oh yes, that's our picture. Phew, I knew you were gonna love it. Archie, here's the window. It's on the second floor on the right. Hang on. Bullseye! Whoa! Unbelievable! What's here? A wedding invitation. Of course I'll come. Sent! What did he say? He said yes! Yay! What an exciting moment! I I've been waiting for this my whole life! The bride will be in good hands. Sarah, do you take Alex to be your husband? I do! Alex, do you take Sarah to be your wife? I do! Exchange the rings! I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss each other. What a perfect ceremony! Come on, Nancy, run! Yay, I made it! Water! Phew, I'm ready. Oh, it's so touching! Dear Archie and Nancy. Nancy, can you spit your gum out? Fine. By the power vested in me. Come on, Paco, this is boring. You're right. Anyway, I pronounce you husband and wife. Finally! Exchange medals of courage. This is so touching. And now let's start our rap party. Yo, yo, yo! Paco Suzuki is the best wedding MC! Yay! A wedding photo! Groom, pick up the bride! Or vice versa. Aw, man, I should have worn sneakers. Dear friends, may I have your attention, please? Thank you for coming today to celebrate our special day. Yay! Hey, guys! Hey! Everyone listen to me! It's great that the gang's all here today. Well, congratulate us! Congratulations, Archie and Nancy! Yeah! The first dance is so tender and classy. Yo, Nancy, show us a wedding break dance. Come on! Whoa! It's a dance battle! Only the best street dancers are on this dance floor. Yo, yo, yo! Everyone, dance however you can. And whoever can't dance, dance anyway! This reception is more like a party. These treats are amazing, and the table setting is very classy. Excuse me, you have sauce on your lip. Thanks. Honey, will you have a piece? Sure. Oh, chicken legs. I love fast food. What a great hot dog. Nancy, did you cook it? Have one more wing. The menu is perfect. All right, everyone, time for the wedding cake. It's incredible. The sweetest piece is for us. What a great party. Who ordered a hamburger cake? We did! Yay! This is the best wedding cake ever! These white doves are a symbol of our endless love. How romantic! Fly, doves! Oh, it's so beautiful! I've always wanted to do it! Archie, what's taking you so long? Is it so hard to find a dove? Nancy, I found the most professional dove ever! Oh, it's so cute! Let's set our wedding dove free! It's not taking off. Is it broken or what? Let's try again. Come on, fly! There it goes! It's so romantic! Girls, are you ready? I'm throwing bouquet. Bam! Just kidding! Now catch! Got it! It's mine! Congrats, honey! You're next! Time to throw the wedding bouquet! No! My guys won't get it! Where's my football? Ready? Hike! I got the ball! Oh no! I'm in trouble! Get the ball! Did you like our brides? Then comment below which bride you liked the most. An elegant lady or a carefree tomboy? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom Troom.